Now I request.
అందరూ స్థలం తక్కువగా ఉంది.
Now I request our honorable chief guest along with all our dignitaries to please join us for the lighting of lamp.
పోలీసు ఏసీపీ గేట్లు క్లోజ్ చేయడం కూడా గేట్లన్నీ కూడా ఓపెన్ ఉండాలి. గేట్లు కూడా ఎవరు కూడా ఓపెన్ చేయొద్దు. లిఫ్ట్లో మెట్ల మీద కూర్చుంటారు. దయచేసి గేట్లు ఎవరు కూడా క్లోజ్ చేయొద్దు. వాలంటీర్స్ పోలీసు వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఓపెన్ చేస్తే నేను పోలీసు అధికారులను కోరుతా ఉన్నాను, గేట్లు ఎవరు కూడా క్లోజ్ చేయొద్దు, దయచేసి ఓపెన్ చేయండి.
Same Rizvi garu.
प्लेस है अपना उधर. प्लेस है अपना उधर.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I invite our Joint Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, for her welcome address, that is Kavita Garg garu. So please put your hands together and welcome Kavita Garg garu.
Namaste. I welcome you all at this famous Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium at Hyderabad. It's my privilege to welcome the Honorable Governor of Telangana to the 25th countdown program of International Day of Yoga. I also extend a warm welcome to Honorable Union Minister of Ayush and Port Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sabranand Sonowal ji, who is also a yoga
media person and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. It is a pleasure and great for me to be present here today on occasion of Yoga Utsav 25 days to International Day of Yoga 2022 organized by Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. International Day of Yoga 2022 is the 8th edition of the International Day of Yoga. Following the footprints this year, Yoga Utsav 25 days to International Day of Yoga 2022 is being organized by Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Ministry of Ayush, to give a wider promotion and publicity to various dimensions of yoga and its utility, and also to make it a mass movement to promote health, well-being across the globe. The primary objective of this event are to give more comprehensive promotion and publicity to the final drill of International Day of Yoga, Common Yoga Protocol on June 21. Ministry of Ayush is successfully organizing International Day of Yoga since the year 2015, wherein our Honorable Prime Minister leads the mass yoga demonstration. Inter of Yoga has become the largest public health movement in the world today due to our enthusiastic support of the public. Message of yoga across India and the world and widen its reach further this year. Ministry of Ayush is taking various steps to promote adoption and acceptance of yoga practice both in India and abroad. One such step which can be called milestone is the form. The common yoga protocol remains at the core of International Day of Yoga observed as it promotes value of oneness, unity and harmony and is a protocol developed keeping in mind each and every demographic, making the practice of yoga accessible to all. Yoga is a way of to healthy and happy life. Yoga has a foundation in self-control, self-discipline and self-development. Healthy body and mind can lead to balance and holistic personality. Yogic practice are beneficial for physical and mental domains. Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga is focal institute of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India for planning, training, promotion and coordination of yoga education, training, therapy and research in all its aspects. MD NIY plays